since I've been.
I've heard you hear way.
Hold this.
Let's go look, girls. Okay? Monday.
How you doing, Marcus?
Good, man. How are you?
Great to see you, brother.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I saw you at the Arcade Fire Show in February in LA, man.
Sweet, yeah.
You were rocking out, dude. You knew every word to every song,
I do
man.
know every word.
Dude, was that performance
What's your name?
sickening, dude?
Erin.
That's
It's
amazing.
E-R-I-N.
Unbelievable. Did you see Zach Galifianakis in there too? The guy
No
from The
way.
Hangover? Yeah, he was running around there. He had the stocking hat on.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, sure.
Here, quick. Oh, I hit the wrong button. I'm so sorry. Turned it off. I'm sorry.
Everyone's done that.
Thank you.
Hey, man.
My name's Zach.
Your name's Zach.
Yeah,
Zach. Nice to
ZAC. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much, man. Do you mind getting my other three real quick, too? I'd really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
who are they
Thanks, bro. Zach, all for me. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Cannot wait for the show tonight.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, last one was off Broadway. Now we're seeing you at the pageant, man. This is great.
Finally get the encore.
Yeah. Cheers.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Thanks, man. What's your name? Smitty. S-M-I-T-T-Y. Yeah, I haven't seen this. Yeah, it's brand new.